Hello everyone, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. I think this is part 8. Welcome back though, I've been meaning to play this again, so let's get into it. Here we go. Play my last file that I was doing for all you guys and all that. Alright. Alright. It's been a while since I played this, so I hope you guys don't mind. I haven't played this in a while. Think of what to do. Alright. Woohoo! 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 You pushed that already, I'm guessing. No, I just haven't, alright. I guess I know what my next purchase is for you guys. Think of what to do. We just try and figure out, remember how to play. There we go, I think that's how it works. One. Yep, there, I know how to play again. Well, mostly. Alright. Where are the Lords? That's what I remember for sure, though. Lords. I'm gonna avoid the regular Lords. Those are, I remember, they're so cheap. Alright. There we go. So we have the regular Lords. I guess I'll take them even though I really don't want to. Oops. Try it again. Jeez. There we go. Use up all my inventory so quickly with this. But oh well. Lords. There we go. There we go. Get that real quick. Oh, don't wanna suck up the slimes by accident. Oh, darn it. There we go. There we go. I think that's enough over here for the time being. Oh, whoops. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Oh. Is that all I can carry? Yeah, it's not like I can carry. Alright. Ports or oh, they're just eating those, so I guess not. Alright. Think of what to do now. Right, I did that already. Alright, awesome. Avoid these things real quick. Oh my goodness. It's a lot more than last time, I remember that now. Need to be careful. Alright. I believe this is where all the slime ports I got before, so I'll go here. See, don't surprise the lock again. We unlocked. That's weird. I already unlocked this place, so I wonder why that is the case. Alright. Go, whoops. Down by accident. It's all the boards for the time being, I guess. Game more? Guess not. Oh my goodness. This is for the time being, I guess. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Tabby slime, I don't think I need that at the moment. We go this way. Alright, I always get lost in this place. I don't know why, this is how it works. Oh my goodness. Take those. I can't. Oh, oops. No. Oh no! Alright, I'm leaving here now. We're already getting attacked by the... whatever those things were called again. Oh my goodness, I took over. Oh my goodness. Whoops. Go. Whoops. There we go. Whoops. Keep on forgetting. Go. Ow. Why? There we go. Boom boards. Let me get that real quick. Our boom boards are super valuable. Well, usually, anyways. Go. This is all I'm gonna get for the time being, I guess. I remembered how to get over here, because I remember last time I was so lost in the past few videos. There we go. There we go. Let me go back here and... oh, that thing fell down over there. Nope, it hasn't. Alright, I'm leaving. Alright. This is enough for the time being, I guess. I don't see anything else for at the moment. Florts wise, I think they're called. Get florts. Look at the screen and all that. Alright. There we go. I'll be able to sell some things now. Yay! Where do I sell? Oh, there we go. 1. 3. There we go. Need to get quite a bit more, but oh well. This game is so much fun. Where is all the bullets? Where is it? I just ate all of it. Oh, there it is, one. One right there. There we go. trying to get the ports. They're not letting me. There we go. There we go. Get those ports. There we go. Oops. Throw the carrot out real quick. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh my goodness, they're here now too. Great. Let me run, let me run, let me run. Alright. Anything here for me? There's one right there, alright. They're here now too? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Go. There we go. That's everything over here. Alright. Let's get captain boys. Oh boy. Double thing. There's one right there. This is order to see where everything is. Is there... Why are you attacking me? Oh, they made the 8th one I was gonna go after, I think, and now they're one of those things. Great. Let's go here, I guess. What is this right here? I forgot about this. I need to activate. 5,000, alright. I almost have enough for that. I might come back for this one. It's been so long, I forgot what I was doing in this game. There we go, there we go, there we go. I don't know why I'm getting achievements now when I played this a while ago, but oh well. Who doesn't like achievements? There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright. There we go. More of these, awesome. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oop, rock parts. Oh no! Be careful with this. Ow! Why? Oh no! No! Stay away from me! There we go, there we go. No! What's right here? Be careful. Still trying to possibly run into me. There we go. There we go. Ow. Careful with them. Oh. I'm just gonna flee them now. Too difficult. It's not like the music. Thought it sounded like the whatever the music was for those evil slimes back there. No. There we go. All that I could have right there. Alright. There we go. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that, I missed my nose. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Alright. Let's go over here. Whoops. Whoops. Oh boy. I'm gonna I want all this. There we go. Go. Oh boy. Whoops. Whoops. No. There you go. Oh no! I was reading which button it is. Careful with that. Alright. There we go. That button. Alright. It's around here. There's not much. Alright. Alright. Uh-oh. Ranger Slimes looks like. Go up here. Alright. Alright, more of that stuff. Ow. No. There we go, there we go. Silly slimes. Oh jeez, out the water. Oh. Got since I come down here, I guess, so... Try and get that real quick before they eat it. There we go. That's all I need for the time being, I guess. If there's any more slimes at the moment on quartz. I mean, there's plenty of slimes on the quartz. Sorry about that. Alright. So all these, and I believe this will be end of this video for you guys. There we go. Alright, I think this will be it for this video, you guys. Hope you guys liked. I believe it was Slime Rancher Part 8. It's been a while since I made these videos, so I hope you guys like these in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.